They fled to the house of Baal, but the fire they lit devoured them. Morning rose, they stepped in pride. Fields once burned, now seemed to hide. They thought the wrath had passed away, but vengeance waits for judgment day. The tower stood in Baal's name, a sanctuary cloaked in shame. But idols built by men and lies shall fall when truth ignites the skies. One spark can turn a god to ash. One man can turn a town to past. Fire from the bramble burns, just as Jotham warned. It turns the 1,000 souls beneath the stone. Cried out, but they were not alone. They trusted falsehood's golden frame, but found no refuge in their flame. The house of Baal once praised and strong, now echoes silent smoke and wrong. He climbed the hill with branch and bark, a twisted king with heart gone dark. No prayer, no pause, no holy breath, just rage and rope and fiery death. They watched the spark, then saw the blaze, the sacred lies consumed in haze. And stone by stone their idols fell, a funeral hymn, a smoky bell. The God of Gideon watched it all, the tower rise, the tower fall. And when men trade his truth for gain, that fire comes, not just the rain. Fire from the bramble rose, justice wrapped in burning clothes. They crowned a king, but not by God. Now ash and blood mark every sod. Let every heart that plays with sin remember how the fire begins. For bramble kings and temples lie, when truth descends the idols die.